Hello and welcome to the Ultimate React course. I'm so thrilled to welcome you here and to guide you on your journey of becoming a complete React developer. And learning React is indeed a great choice, not only because it will enable you to build any application that you can imagine, but also because there is always a huge demand for skilled React developers like the one that you will become by the end of this course. Now, before we dive in, let's take a minute to get a quick overview of how the course is organized and the projects that we're gonna build together. So, the course is divided into 4 big parts, which will take you from knowing nothing about React to a skilled and confident React developer in no time. In part 1, we're gonna build a few small but nice projects to get you up to speed with React fundamentals such as components, JSX, props, state, and forms. I also included tons of challenges and exercises to get you coding in React on your own right off the bat. In part 2, we built upon these foundations to learn intermediate concepts like data fetching, the useEffect hook, and custom hooks. There is also a special section on how React works behind the scenes, which will make you super confident when working with React on your own. Next, in part 3, is where we really take things to the next level and work on your advanced React skills. So we're gonna dive deep into topics like reducers and performance optimization, build our first single-page app with React Router, and also explore Redux and modern Redux toolkit. Then, in part 4, we take all you've learned and apply it to the real world, as we build 2 beautiful professional applications using industry-standard libraries and tools like Redux, Tailwind, React Query, Supabase, and more. So, as you see, this course really contains everything you need to know about modern front-end development with React. It's gonna be a really exciting journey, and I'm sure that you're gonna have a ton of fun building all these projects and that you'll take your web development career to the next level. And with that being said, let's jump right in.